Okay, so this is what we're gonna need. Let's see, what can I use? Okay, so these are my headphones. They currently have this wire, this little piece of shit wire. I actually changed it already. This was the one I had before. You can tell it's a lot thicker and longer. They both have a mic, but I just don't like how short this one is and how thin it is. So what I did is I went ahead and bought some dollar headphones. To those, I got two pair, one red, one white, because all I'm going to be using is just the wire really. That right there is soldering, which is like a soft metal. Then you use that. You plug it up to power, and that heats it up and melts that to create a bond between the connections. I'll show you once we get to that point. Now, on this one, you could already tell I went ahead and took one of the head pieces off, and all you got left is the wires. Zoom in, motherfucker. Yeah, you got the wires left. Alright, so pretty much what I'm doing right now is just taking off the other head so that I could tear those apart. I'll be right back. Okay, so you see now I take the speaker off of the headpiece right there. Right. And all you got left is this little speaker right there, which, if you can see kind of close, let me see, fix it for you. I don't know if you can see that, but there's two connections, one red, one copper, and then one green one. Copper's on the left, and the green one's on the right. Those are the connections that go to make the speakers work. One's in, one's out. The other part out there. So, alright, so I'm gonna take that off, take this little piece off, and I'll be right back. Okay, so as you can see, I went ahead and took off the head pieces off, and now you can see left is the exposed wires. One's to one side, one's to the other. If there were a single wire, they would have three wires, one for the ground and for both, and then one blue or one red, depending on the brand and the maker. Like this one is a blue. You see it's blue and copper, and that one's red and copper. The one that came with the actual headphones is red and copper, and I don't know if it's green, but basically it's all going to be red and copper, and then another color to differentiate the two sides. Right now, what I'm doing now is open up my headphones. Well, I could do it with one hand. So what you do for these headphones, it's fairly simple, I guess you could say. All you have to do is just take this little plastic thing off. Sorry about my nails, they're dirty, I just got off of work. So take this off, right? That goes off. Then you got left with that. Let me see if I get that. Right. And you see the little three holes in the shape of a triangle. There's the screws right there. So let me see if I could find my screwdriver. I'll be right back. Alright, so basically in here, I'm just gonna stick it in the hole, and there's one there, and there's one right there, and then there's one over here. So I'm gonna take those off real quick. Now I should be able to see the screws now there more. So now I can just take them off. Give me a second. There you go, for the 3 screws. Okay, so there you go, 3 screws. Now this just pretty much comes off after that. It just comes out. And this is what you find in the back. The wire just pretty much goes through the little cut down there and it connects to this shit, right? The speaker, which has 2 colors. One would be, the one on the left is the red one, and then the copper is on the right. There you go. Alright, so what happens next? You see how it's welded? The little shiny part, that thing is welded right there, right? It's welded, you can't pull it out. So you connect that to the power, right? Little gun thing. It warms this up. It gets it hot. Hot, like hot. Don't touch it. Gets hot. So once it gets hot, we press this button right here to start getting it hot. Once it gets to a certain temperature, you just go in there and tap, just like touch the connection right there until the metal gets loosened up, and then it's just gonna come off. It's gonna it's not gonna be stuck anymore. So let me do that real quick. See, now the speaker is separated from the wire, no longer connected, and this is the speaker for the headset. See the connections there? 4 connections. The plus and the minus, you can see the plus and the minus. The plus is always the red, the minus is the negative, the ground. So now, what I'm gonna do is pull this wire out. Pull that wire out of there. Right? Pull it out of there. The little hole. Yank it out of there. Pull it out. And then I'm gonna put this one in there and connect to the speaker. We'll be right back. Okay, so we're half and half. We got one head part connected to the red one, and then the other one connected to the black one. So we're halfway there. We gotta test it out with your ones. Let me see. Plug this up real quick. Yep. So it works. Okay, so I got that. Now I just gotta put it back. One thing I want to point out is, you see how I made a little knot here? Because there's a little crease right there. You see it on the wall? And then this slides in there. Like that. So that way, it's covered like that. So if you have to crank on the cord or snag or something, it won't put pressure on the connection. It will be more pressure on the wire itself. So give me a second real quick. I'm about to finish the other side. Just like that. Got the new wires connected to it. In my opinion, it looks a little bit better with the red. Gives it a little bit of an accent. But there you go. There you go. That's how you do it. Pretty simple, basic, easy.